Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR 27 version B. It says Shelly and Ken were washing cars for their neighbors. They decided to put their earnings together and then share their earnings equally. Shelly earned $15.40. Ken earned $17.90. How much did each person get? Okay, how much did each person get? All right, so here's the dealio. There's only 2 people going here who need to share money, but they take their money that they earned and they put their earnings together. To put their earnings together, let's do that first. Put their earnings together. That means Shelly takes what she earns and Ken takes what he earns, and those 2 amounts get added together. You'll see I have lined up my decimal points, so my place values are then guaranteed to be lined up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 9 is 13. Make sure you drag down that decimal point right where it belongs. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 7 is 13. 1, 2, 3. So it looks like $33.30 is what they get all together, which I can see the state will probably make that one of the answers. But we're not done. All we did was put their earnings together, and then they shared it equally. If you have $33.30, so the second part will be share it equally between how many people? Oh, there's just 2 of them. 2 people. To share 33 equally between 2 people, you can just take $33.30 and divide by 2. So let's see. 2 goes into $33.30. 2 goes into 3 once. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract off. Got a 1. Drag down that 3. 2 goes into 13 6 times. 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract off 1. Please make sure in your division you drag that decimal point right up. Drag down that 3. 2 goes into 13 6 times. Putting it right above that number I just dragged down. 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract off. We got a 1. Drag down that 0. How many times does 2 go into 10? 5 times. 2 times 5 is 10. They each get $16.65. So they work together. So they decide to split their earnings equally. So Sheila got a little bit more than she took in, and Ken got a little bit less than he took in because they wanted to share. They both worked hard. They did the same amount of time there, and so they shared their earnings. I hope that helps.